people, welcome back again to another video. If you are new in this channel, this is Prince Sharon Entertainment, a home of freedom fighters. If you haven't joined our family yet, join the family by hitting the red button down below on the bell notification icon, so whenever we have a new video in this same channel, you will get notified. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I love you all. So my people, I have a video here that I want you all to watch, and I myself will be watching with you in this particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Like and share this video, and I will see you again in my
Abubakar Malami, Sam. You said you added the new charges on Nnamdi Kanu case. And what are the charges? I quote. You said that Nnamdi Kanu killed Fulani herdsmen. 1. Number 2, he killed Nigerian police. Number 3, he killed Nigerian army. And number 4, he's a terrorist. That is what you said. Abubakar Malami, Sam. You are the one accusing somebody of terrorism. Just of recently, you went all the way to Kenya to kidnap somebody internationally. The same thing Buhari did in 1984. When he went to London to kidnap Umaru Duku. You guys are not ashamed of you guys. You are not ashamed of yourself. Why are you disgracing the whole of Africa? What exactly do Fulani want in this world? You went to Kenya to kidnap somebody, and yet you are not even ashamed of yourself. And you came out in the national television telling people that somebody you went to kidnap is a terrorist. Okay, let me remind you. All those of your charges is baseless. Let me remind you. Fulani herdsmen, they are all terrorists. We still have their video where they are raping women. The last one they did in Ebonyi State, where they are raping underage girl. About 8 of them, Fulanis. The video, we still have it. We still have the video of Nigerian police, where they kill innocent people for no reason. In your constitution, Malami, you say you are a Sam. You've forgotten in your constitution that you have, is it your constitution that everybody, any group of people have the right to protest for anything? But when IPOB came out to protest, you shoot them. Why? Now, you are also giving order this time around, this coming 26 of Nnamdi Kanu case. You are giving people order not to put on IPOB shirts. Is it in Nigerian constitution for somebody not to wear any shirt they like? Is it in Nigerian constitution that no one should wear any shirt written IPOB? Malami, are you not ashamed of yourself? You call yourself Sam. This is the reason why Fulani, the whole Fulani in Nigeria, refused to go to school. They said that Western education is haram to them. Yet you are still using everything produced by Western people. It's haram. The only thing you teach your people is terrorism. The only thing Fulani know in Nigeria is terrorism. That is all for them. Terrorism. Whenever you see them gathered somewhere, the only thing they are teaching their people is terrorism. Call any one Fulani man who is a professor, I will defeat him. I didn't go to university. Call any man, Yerima Shetima or Erofayo, call him. Set an exam for me and that person with his master degree. I will defeat that person. Fulani, respect yourself. All those politicians deceiving you, we know the people are deceiving you, giving you wrong advice. All of you will fall inside pit. You see Nnamdi Kanu, I promise you guys, after Nnamdi Kanu, you can never be involved of kidnapping innocent people again. You are talking about Nigerian police or Nigerian army. Do you want to show you video where they are killing innocent people? Have you forgotten Nigerian police and the army, their language? Their language is this: I will shoot you and nothing will happen. The very person that you want to shoot will say, please don't shoot me. The next thing you hear, boy, you shoot him. And yet nothing will happen. The family of that person will start crying. And that will be the end of the story. Do you want we show you video Balani? Is there anywhere in your constitution nobody should put on any IPOB clothes? That is why you guys get angry when Abari they put on dot nation. Because you are an illiterate. Brain, you know, gets. You get anywhere where on a right and inside on a constitution, telling people the kind of shirt they have to put on or the way they have to dress. Now you are talking about terrorism, Malami. Fulani, you look at it now, you just went and released about 1,000 plus Boko Haram who is in a detention. You release them and you recruit them into Nigerian military. And you are talking about terrorism. My friend, go and sit down. Empty head. Look at the way Fulani destroyed Nigeria. Because of Fulani, Nigeria has no electricity. Because of Fulani, no steady electricity, no good road, no education, corruption everywhere because of Fulani. Because of Fulani. Because of Fulani, now look at what they are debating now. Electronic transmission of a result. We cannot guarantee 100%. These are, look at it in television here. Electronic transmission of result. We can't guarantee 100%. Because they want where they will be rigging election, shooting gun, recruiting hoodlums to hijack ballot box. That is why you don't want the electronic transmission. You see, Fulani. And yet, you stupid Nigerian, tomorrow you call him chairman. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These are your problem. You see them? Illiteracy, they use illiteracy to bath, put on as their clothes. Tell me, you guys, I don't know what is wrong with you guys. Just mention one Fulani man who produce anything in Nigeria, who just produce something that is very unique. Just mention one. All their problem is oil, gas, oil, gas, oil, gas. Nigeria one, Nigeria one. Keep Nigeria one, you cannot keep Nigeria one. The way you guys are behaving, do you guys behave like people who want to keep Nigeria one? Terrorism everywhere. Look at the way you have turned Nigeria upside down, and yet you are still bragging. Malami, it's better you return back to school. You call yourself Sam. I'm even educated more than you. I'm educated more than you. I have many certificates. I'm educated more than you. You are a stark illiterate. Your brain know the work. You went to another country to kidnap somebody. Thief. This is how you guys are looting money. At the end of the day, you will start arresting innocent people. Douche. Let me hear you say now you add more charges on Nnamdi Kanu. Sending Nnamdi Kanu back to London. Or return him back to where you're from. Kidnap him. Are you not ashamed of yourself? The whole world are watching you. You are just searching for evidence where you can grab your hand and say this is what Nnamdi Kanu did. Everybody knows the story. How it started. We all know. The whole world know. Fulani, you are the terrorists in Nigeria. Killing Christians for no reason. Malami. One after the other. Buhari kill. God will take him. Abba Kyari kill, he disappear. Issa Funtua kill, he go. Now it's your turn. After you finish, another person will take over. Just destroying innocent life. Useless people. Tomorrow you come and talk about terrorism. Who are the architect of terrorism in Nigeria? Is it not Fulani? Who doesn't know that? Buhari himself, he said that if he doesn't win 2011 election, say that monkey and bamboo blood will soak. Is it not what he said? Useless people. Come here, you're talking about terrorism. Let me hear you PM say terrorism. Nothing there ahead is only terrorists. Terrorists, how to kidnap, how to slaughter, how to kill, slaughter. That is the only thing you have in your head. You think you can intimidate the whole of South? Come now. They are waiting for you. All those you are falling inside the bush. Let them stay there. Kurukodai will swallow all of them inside that bush. Useless people. Armed robbers.
Thank you so much for watching that particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Like and share this video again. And I appreciate each and every one of you who always share my video, who always come back to support this platform. I do appreciate you all. May God Almighty bless you. I will see you again in my next video.